Hey, ever wonder why some people go from broke to millionaire, while others stay stuck in the same place for years? Here's the truth. It's not just about working hard. It's about working smart, using rules that school never bothered to teach us. Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful rules that turned ordinary people into millionaires. Rules you were never taught in class, but once you know them, they could change your life. Let's get into it. Rule 1. Learn to sell something. Rule number 1. Learn to sell something. Anything. Most schools teach you how to get a job. They don't teach you how to create value or how to sell it. But here's a fact. Every millionaire at some point had to learn how to sell. Whether it was a product, a service, an idea, or even just selling themselves in a room full of investors, selling is the skill that moves money. And no, you don't need to be sleazy or pushy. You just need to understand people, what they need, what they fear, what they truly want. Learn to solve real problems. Then confidently offer your solution. That's how money finds you. Rule 2. Pay yourself first. Rule number 2. Pay yourself first. Sounds simple, right? But 90% of people don't do it. They get paid, then they pay bills. They buy stuff. They go out. And maybe, just maybe, they save what's left. Wrong move. Here's what millionaires do. The moment money comes in, they take a portion and invest it in themselves. Before paying bills, before spending, before anything else. That's not selfish. That's smart. Because if you don't pay yourself first, you'll always be paying for someone else's dream, not yours. Rule 3. Build income, not status. Rule number 3. Build income, not status. This one hits hard. You see, most broke people want to look rich. While most millionaires, they're focused on becoming rich. Stop trying to impress people. Start trying to free yourself. Driving a nice car, wearing designer clothes, and posting flexes on Instagram might feel good, but it won't build wealth. Use your money to build income streams. Buy assets, not just liabilities. Because every dollar you don't waste could be a soldier working for your future. Delayed gratification is how the game is won. Rule 4. Your circle equals your future. Rule number 4. Your circle is your future. Look around. Who do you spend the most time with? If you're always around people who complain, play small, and make excuses, guess what? You're becoming one of them. Millionaires, they surround themselves with winners. With people who challenge them, who stretch them, who inspire them. Your environment either pulls you down or lifts you up, so ask yourself, are the people around you building empires or just wasting time? Choose your circle carefully, because it's shaping your future more than you think. Rule 5. Invest in skills. Rule number 5. Invest in your skills before you invest in stocks. Everyone wants to jump into investing, crypto, stocks, real estate. And that's great, but here's the truth. The best investment you'll ever make is the one you make in yourself. Learn high-income skills, things like sales, copywriting, coding, design, public speaking, leadership, negotiation. Skills that make you valuable in any economy. Because once you have the skill, money follows. The more problems you can solve, the more people will pay you. So before you chase quick wins, build a strong foundation. Let me say this, you don't have to come from money to build wealth. You don't need permission, and you're not too late. But you do need a mindset shift. You need new rules, better habits, and the courage to break away from the normal path. School never taught us this, but life has a way of teaching those who are ready to learn. You've got what it takes, so don't settle. You're not just meant to survive, you're meant to thrive. If this video sparks something inside you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it today. Your journey from broke to millionaire starts now. Let's build it together.